right, morning traders. Happy weekend. Hope everyone had a good week. This is just going to be a quick watch list video. Now, Aussie dollar. I was watching this as it was trading through 72 and 72.15. There was a little bit of a battle here, and you know what? I was like, I needed to get some sleep. It had been a big day, and I was like, well, do I take this long? Where's the stop going? And it probably would have been at 72 flat. And I'm like, there was just things I needed to stay up for, to watch, and I wasn't prepared to do. So it's a weird close candle there, isn't it? But it held up, and when it closed and this continued to move, that was probably a trade. So, 72.15 or so would have been the entry. My plan for this particular pair will be, I guess we see how the Australian market trades on Monday, and then we go from there. The Aussie market in particular has moved pretty nicely this week. It was, for my portfolio, it was pretty good. It's been pretty wild recently, but everything was okay. So again, it's all unrealized though, which needs to be said. But I'm sorry, I couldn't help myself. I'm like OCD. I've got to click it. It's a notification. Or if it holds up and it does this, and then again, we might see trade to, even higher through to, 73.20 or so, which, upside is pretty good. So my thought process is the entry would be on a small pullback, wait for a confirmation like this, and stop at 72.10 or something is my plan. Now, gold, I am very much contemplating buying physical gold as well, probably from the Perth Mint. And I'm going to have to work out amounts and things like that. But, wow, I see. So that's what that's doing. That's interesting. What we'll probably see is a very strong rally of gold in the lead up and after the election, especially if it's close and Donald Trump disputes it. So everyone needs to be pretty mindful of that. I've just got to close this, guys. So those are my thoughts as well, especially with how low interest rates have been and how low they continue to stay. It's just a hedge to inflation with gold as well. And there's going to be a lot of uncertainty. So that's my thought on gold. We'll have a look at the US index, and then I think really that's going to be it. I guess it was really definitely, risk off, and that's, wow. Okay. Might check out the pound as well. It's the final, so breakout as well. US dollar really did weaken a little bit. See what the S&P did. I mean, the reason why I mentioned the Aussie dollar is that's what I focus on. It's just, I'm working a lot, and I still like to trade. Like I traded a little bit last week. I think I went long Aussie, potentially on risk on. Then I closed at short S&P 500. I might have tried to buy gold as well at the end of the month, end of September that is. So even in early October. So that's what I've been up to. But I do have that managed account with Forex briefcase too. So which I update, and please just watch that previous video for an update on that as well. But and that's how the S&P played out as well. So so I guess I'll do a Monday night YouTube video. I've been uploading to a forum, a paid forum. That's why I haven't been uploading much. But again, I haven't been actively trading though. So it's a little misleading when I talk about trades, this, that, and trade ideas. So, I'm completely transparent in regards to what I'm trading. And that's not really a lot, to be fair. It's all very much hands off right now for me until probably until we get some more staff at the gym I'm at and things like that. But that's that's how the S&P played out. So really, we could see further risk on it. It all depends on that fiscal plan, fiscal policy negotiation that's taking place, and Donald Trump just sort of doing what he does. He's a loose cannon in regards to what he talks about on Twitter, and then Nancy Pelosi, the Speaker of the House, was discussing whether or not he's in a fit state of mind, and they'd like a third-party assessment protocol established so that they can determine whether or not he is in a fit state of mind. So we'll see how that plays out as well. That could add a little bit of fuel to the fire in regards to the volatility that we see sometimes with what Donald Trump says and just how he negotiates. But really the main play will be Aussie dollar long. I'm actually suggesting more risk on, and it's gone through 72 cents. So yeah, that's my main sort of trade idea. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and bye for now.